pipe, clutch arm, should I say, the master, literally just clips back on, like that, there we go, and that's how that sits. Remember, try not to break the little black tabs on them. If you do, you'll have to put a new one in, otherwise it'll keep popping off. Put this back in, lock that in place, and then we've got to give it a little clip. The tab goes back in up there. There we go. Now, I've got the rest of the dash back together, which is fairly easy. I'll show you that part as well. So look, headlight, accessory wires, OBD port, and this is some like auto interior fan kind of thing. Let's get that together for you. Let's see if we've got it any. Right. So we've got this. This OBD port goes into there. Wants to go in. There we go. I don't know if you can see well. There's a little black pipe. That pipe has to go onto the back of the fan, otherwise the auto climate won't work. Back out. Yeah, actually. Just clips back in like that. Done. Now, you can see we've got this. This just goes in up there, but before we do that, we've got a little screw for the panel to go in up there, just there. Can't really see too well. Just put the torch back on. So yeah, that little screw goes in just there, which is this little one. You go in there. Once we've got that in, we can get the bonnet and fuel cap release on, which goes into, it slides into there and bolts to these two. If you go like that, and that's in. Now we've got this one bolt, one in there, and then we've got this one to go in there. There are two 10 mils, so we've got to get 10 mil socket back on the gun. Done. We've got to get this little side panel for down here back on. It goes like that. You've got a little black clip like this, a little screwdriver bit. Like so. Look at the OBD port cover, clips in, like so. Side panel, which goes in like so. Job done.